Okay, so this is Kelly, who's just done day 2 of the Permanent Makeup Startup course with Katy at the Training Academy. So you had a bit of a long couple of days, travelled, what was it, a couple of hours each way?
Yeah,
each day?
that, yeah.
So a bit of a long mornings and evenings. And what did you get on with today then, Kelly?
Yeah, really enjoyed it, fantastic. So today we did, we used the machine on fake skin, and we covered the like the eyebrows, the lips and the eyeliner.
So covered all sort of different areas on the skins, obviously to get you lots and lots of practice before the live clients. And then also we went through some business stuff as well today.
Yeah.
Did you find that useful on website information?
Yeah, definitely. Watched the video, found that really informative, and just like taking lots of notes, gave you loads of ideas, gave me some inspiration on what I'm going to do with my website. And the packages that we spoke about was really helpful as well. So I'm going to go back, have a think, talk to my partner about that and see what packages and what...
Yeah, like if you want to do it yourself or you want us to help you on it.
Yeah, exactly.
Which is obviously one of the services we offer additionally. And then on top of that, there's lots of things to be getting on with. You've now got lots of practice before your live model training. So you're going to be doing, you've just got access to hundreds of new videos that Kate has just put on for our students to keep you going in the meantime. So you're looking forward to sort of working through the technical videos and things?
Yeah, definitely, absolutely. And got some practice skin as well.
Yeah.
So I'll probably be practicing and listening to the videos in the background. But yeah, no, I'm really looking forward to some video action and some practicing.
Brilliant, and then the live models to look forward to as well. So have you found it sort of, has it been what you wanted so far? It's only a couple of days in, isn't it?
More so, yeah, absolutely. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. Katy's brilliant, you're great. Yeah, like I said, I was really nervous yesterday morning, but within like 10 minutes of walking in, I was like, okay, this is okay. This
Excellent.
is good. And I felt really at ease. I found it so interesting. And I know that I'm really going to enjoy it. I do feel it. I feel it here. So
brilliant.
Yeah.
You've got a smile on your face most of the time every time I see you. So excellent. Well, great to see you, and we'll look forward to catching up with you very shortly for the live model training. And good luck in the meantime.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Cheers, Kelly.